Welcome back to the 7-Day Business Blitz. Today I want to talk to you about blocking and batching. Now, I know we've talked about time management and productivity, and you're saying, but Carrie, you're not telling me what to say. You're not telling me what to do. Well, first we have to have the foundation. We have to have the tools because I really believe you know what to do. We'll talk a little bit about that in the next few days, but today let's talk about batching and blocking. This is something that goes, hundreds of years back. Let's think back to the Pioneer Days, okay? Let's talk about the pioneer women that Monday was always bread day. Tuesday was always laundry day. Wednesday was the day they went to a quilting bee to somebody else's house to work on whatever sewing project all the women were working on. That's blocking and batching. This is knowing what falls in your schedule and when, and doing it to a point of expertise. Let me tell you a secret. So today, I am blocking and batching videos. I am actually shooting over a dozen videos today. One time to get cute, one time to show up with the crew, one time to set up the lights, and I'm going to batch it so that every day I'm not thinking, what video do I need to shoot today? What should I wear today? Call in the crew today. Blocking and batching. You could do blog posts that way. You can do videos that way. You can record your podcast that way, all your note cards that way. I do that on Fridays. Friday is my gratitude and follow-up day. It's the day I write out all my note cards, send out thoughtful gifts, reach out to people I've wanted to connect with. It's a blocking and batching kind of day. We do this in our houses kind of by intuition, right? We do our grocery shopping and our errands and our whatever, and we manage to do those things on the same day for efficiency. So why aren't we also doing that in our business? So maybe you batch all your phone calls at the same time and then ignore the phone while you're batching or blocking something else. And then you focus on all your writing at the same time, and then you ignore the writing while you're doing something else. This can be something as simple as batching your social media into 15 minutes in the morning, 15 minutes at night. You see what I'm talking about, right? Blocking and batching. It works for productivity. It helps your profitability. It helps your focus and your tracking, and you get better and better and more confident as you go. I'm going to challenge you. Write down 3 activities in your business right now that you can start blocking and batching. And then the implementation step, put it on your calendar, schedule it, make sure it gets done. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of the Business Blitz.